30 fascinating facts. Human body and mind. The brain is more active at night than during the day. While you sleep, your brain is hard at work processing information, forming memories, and regulating bodily functions. Your gut is often called your second brain. It contains millions of neurons and produces neurotransmitters, influencing mood, digestion, and overall health. Humans shed about 40 pounds of skin in a lifetime. Skin is constantly renewing itself, with dead skin cells being replaced by new ones. The human eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors. This incredible ability allows us to appreciate the beauty of the world around us. Yawning is contagious. Seeing or even hearing someone yawn can trigger a yawn in yourself, a behavior that is thought to help regulate brain temperature. Animal kingdom. Octopuses are incredibly intelligent. They can solve puzzles, use tools, and even change the color and texture of their skin to camouflage themselves. Sharks have an incredible sense of smell. Some species can detect a single drop of blood in 1,000,000 gallons of water. Hummingbirds have amazing metabolism. To sustain their high energy levels, they consume about half their body weight in sugar each day. Elephants have excellent memories. They can recognize individuals, remember locations, and even mourn the loss of loved ones. Dolphins are highly social creatures. They live in complex societies with strong bonds between individuals, often engaging in cooperative behaviors. Science and nature. Water is essential for life. It covers about 71% of the Earth's surface and is found in every living organism. The Amazon rainforest produces about 20% of the world's oxygen. It's often called the lungs of the Earth because of its vital role in regulating the planet's climate. Diamonds are made from crystallized carbon, the same stuff as pencil lead. The difference lies in the extreme pressure and temperature conditions required to form diamonds. The aurora borealis is a breathtaking natural light display. Caused by the interaction of solar particles with the Earth's atmosphere, it creates stunning patterns of color in the sky. Sound travels faster in water than in air. This is why whales and dolphins can communicate over long distances using sound. History and culture. The Great Pyramid of Giza is older than the written word. Built over 2,500 years ago, it's a testament to the engineering prowess of the ancient Egyptians. Chocolate was once considered a currency. The Aztecs valued cacao beans so highly that they used them as a form of payment. The Mona Lisa's enigmatic smile has puzzled people for centuries. Many theories have been proposed, but the true reason behind her expression remains a mystery. The first computer was about the size of a room. Early computers were massive machines filled with vacuum tubes, far removed from the compact devices we use today. The Great Wall of China is not visible from space. This common misconception has been debunked, but the wall is still an impressive feat of human engineering. Random and interesting. A snail can sleep for 3 years. These creatures have an incredibly slow metabolism, allowing them to survive long periods without food or water. The longest word in the English language is pneumotrimicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. It's a medical term referring to a lung disease caused by inhaling silica dust. Bananas are curved because they grow towards the sun. This process is called phototropism and is common in many plants. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 cm taller during the summer. The metal used to construct the tower expands in warmer temperatures. A group of crows is called a murder. This collective noun is thought to come from the bird's dark appearance and sometimes aggressive behavior. More fun facts. The average person spends about 5 years of their life dreaming. Dreams occur during REM sleep, a stage characterized by rapid eye movement. The world's largest living organism is a fungus. It covers an area of over 2,384 acres in Oregon. Your brain uses about 20% of the body's energy. This high energy demand highlights the brain's importance in bodily functions. The deepest place on Earth is the Mariana Trench. It's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. The total weight of all the ants on Earth is about equal to the total weight of all humans. This astonishing fact highlights the incredible abundance of ants on our planet. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe.